Hi there, welcome back to my channel, and today I would like to share with you my new pattern. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. For this one I chose 4.5mm crochet hook and a ball of wool yarn. Let's get started. Let's crochet the pattern. For the beginning, make a chain of 17. Let's count 1. Pattern consists of 2 stitches. It means 16 stitches and plus 1 stitch for a more beautiful look. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The foundation chain is ready. Let's crochet the first row, chain of 2 to bring up the yarn, then yarn over the hook. I insert the hook into the 1, 2, 3, into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Make half double crochet, yarn over the hook, and half double crochet through the next chain stitch. And make half double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. I have done the first row of half double crochet. Here how it looks. This is preparation row. Pattern consists of 1 row and has 2 stitches. Let's crochet the main pattern. Make a chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work like this. This is my first stitch. I skip this stitch, yarn over the hook, insert the hook. Here is my second stitch. I insert the hook into this loop, make half double crochet, yarn over the hook. This is my next stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop of the next stitch, make half double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the middle loop, make half double crochet, and half double crochet through the next back loop. Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the loop like this, make half double crochet, and make half double crochet through the next back loop. Like this. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. And then I will show you how to complete this row together. Let's complete this row together. Here is my half double crochet. Insert the hook into the half double crochet. This is the last half double crochet. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make half double crochet like this. My first row of the main pattern is ready. Pattern has only 1 row. Let's repeat. Chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch. Insert the hook into the loop, make half double crochet, and make half double crochet through the next back loop of the next stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop, make half double crochet, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the loop, make half double crochet, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the back loop of next stitch, make half double crochet, yarn over the hook, insert the hook through the next loop, make half double crochet, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next back loop of the next stitch, make half double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row together. Now I will show you how to complete this row. Make half double crochet into the loop. Make the last half double crochet into the second chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row. Row 2 is ready. Let's stop and look. I remind you, I have done 2 rows of the main pattern. Let's repeat one more time. Chain off 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the loop, or this is camel stitch, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the back loop of the next stitch, make half double crochet, yarn over the hook, insert the hook through the next loop, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next back loop, make half double crochet. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. You should repeat this row as many times as you need for your project. Pattern has only 2 stitches and has 1 row. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. It depends whatever you want. By the end of the project you will get amazing result. I have done my swatch. Let's stop and look what I have done. In my case, it is going to be a headband. In your case, it could be scarf or belt. It depends whatever you want. This is double-sided headband. Please write comment below this video tutorial where you will use it and what you will get with me. You can use such kind of pattern in any product. And now I show you how to join 2 sides together. And I remind you, all additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. In my case, I used yellow color of yarn. And now I show you how to crochet the joining. I insert the hook into the working loop. I insert the hook into the first loop. I take their fronts together. You can sew 2 sides using the sewing needle. I prefer to crochet using crochet hook. I insert the hook into 2 loops, make slip stitch. Then insert the hook into the 2 loops, make slip stitch. So continue working in this way till the end of this row, like this. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks. And I remind you, this is double-sided pattern, so you can use any side in any project. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of this video tutorial. You can crochet more or less rows. It depends what size of head you have. Let's measure it. It is 10 centimeters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me. And I remind you, my pattern has only 1 row and consists of 2 stitches. It could be perfect to create scarf, snoot, wrap, or another accessories for cold weather or home. Good luck in crocheting! And see you next time. Bye!